Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out, so please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I do have 3 stocks in my watch list. Ticker RMG, ticker TPGY and ticker GIK. All the 3 are SPAC stocks that are gapping up with a decent pre-market volume. TPGY is gapping up over 100% with over 2 million shares traded in pre-market volume. I like the setup, but I'm interested in it only if the stock gives me a pretty decent pullback. RMG played me like a fiddle yesterday. I had a hard time trying to trade the stock, so I'll be watching it closely as it can provide me with some good setups. Finally, I do have ticker GIK, which is gapping up on merger news. However, the stock is already down significantly from its pre-market highs, and that puts GIK on my back burner for now. But I'll be watching it into market open. As of now, RMG would be my primary watch into market open. The market opens in another 12 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in a minute and TPGY and RMG would be my primary watch into market open. TPGY is looking good. RMG is already falling, but I'll watch. So the market is open. I'm watching RMG and TPGY. I do have a different screen where I'm watching TPGY. So on RMG, I'm interested in 2316. TPGY, I'm not interested yet. Watching. I'm not seeing good volume on RMG. I'm in RMG. Have an order for 125 shares at 2286. So the low of this candle was 2286. I didn't get filled. Probably in this push I may get. Yep, I got my second ad. So my next ad is at 2260. I'm just adding. I got a partial. Yeah, I got my third ad as well. I'm out of the trade. So I got my exits at 23.8, 23.14 and 23.11. I did a good job in taking my profits, not as a whole chunk. I saw the weakness. I saw the stock was having a resistance around the 23.20 area. I knew that 23.25 would be a resistance. So I did take my profits when I had it. So pretty quick trade. Overall on that trade, I made $96. These small gains add up and I love to take these small consistent winners. In the game of day trading, consistency is the key, and today I think it's my 8th consecutive green day. I'll take it. I'm very happy with my trade execution. I got in at the right prices and took profits in partials rather than just exiting out of the whole position. Now it may bounce to 23.25 because the stock has been on sell mode for the last 9 minutes since market open. So I think it's due for a reversal. So I'm watching GIK now and not my setup. It's clearly selling off. So let me take a look at TPGY. The only thing that's keeping me back from trading this stock is it's already up 130%. It's way overextended. So on TPGY, I may take a quick scalp around 24.75. So let me mark the support around 24.75. Yep, that's my entry point. I think I didn't get that ad. Yep, I'm in. So I'm out of the trade. It was a quick scalp, not my typical setup, but I'll take it. On that trade, I made $50, close to around $50, putting me up over $100 on a Friday. I now just have around $2,000 in cash to trade, so I think I'll call it a day. My first trade on RMG, I think the planning and the execution was perfect, but TPGY, I'm not so happy with how I took that trade because it was completely impulsive. Overall, today was a great day of trading, making $145 in less than 30 minutes. I would take what the market gives and be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.